Welcome back, guys, to Black Guy with FX, guys. So, guys, today I'll be taking you on back testing my strategy on gold. So, and we all know that gold has been on a strong, massive buying trend, guys, for some months, guys, for like since last year, guys, and concerning the recent tensions, war tension, escalations, and we believe that we're going to see more massive push to the upside on gold. Understand, guys? So I think this is the daily time frame. This is how I started my analysis. First of all, I started on the daily time frame. You can start from the weekly, the monthly, but however, I decided to start at the daily time frame. We can all see from this place, from this daily, we can see from this point there was a high, low, high, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, and then higher high, higher low, and then the market is trying to make another higher high again. Understand? This is what it's trying to do. If you trade the market structure, you should also understand that after every new after the high and low, it's supposed to be a new high. Understand? To continue the market trend. Understand? So that's my take on the daily time frame. So first of all, I have to market my highest high at the daily time frame, and then my lowest low at the daily time frame. Then I think I should zoom in, guys. I should zoom in for you guys to see. So we can all see this after even possible test correction and boom to the upside. So but I'm going to show you where I took the trade and what put me up 10% this week. So mark out this resistance zone. You can see this, guys. This is resistance zone here. Resistance zone turn support at this level. I have to mark it out clearly for you guys. So guys, after this whole bullish move here, this whole correction here, this whole correction at this point, I know that after every impulsive move and correction, you're supposed to see another impulsive move. So this was a correction to the upside. So, and if you remember, there was the war escalation has been happening between Iran, US, and what's the country, Israel. So guys, first of all, those were enough confluence for me to enter the trade. Understand? Whenever there are war tensions, political tensions, yes, the gold is surely to be a good asset to trade. Understand? Gold is actually a safe haven pair. Understand? So most investors run to gold, buy gold buy gold to make profit more. So there's nothing more to do now to drop down to the forward time frame. So guys, this is just the network. So guys, clearly we can see that at the forward there's also a high here at this point. A high here. Then remember, guys, I remember after this higher low, there was a retest at this level. Understand? Giving a kind of like a double bottom, and then we can see this resistance zone, market expecting resistance zone, and coming for a correction. And then we can see the breakout of that pattern, and then boom to the upside, taking out these highs, guys, taking out this whole higher at this point, showing that there are buyers coming to the market massively. Understand? More buyers coming to the market massively. So after seeing this breakout here, after seeing this huge buying pressure, taking out this highs, causing a breakout structure, I waited for a retest of this resistance zone. That's what I waited for, guys. So I have to like zoom in clearly for you guys to see the reason I tried to take the trade there. So guys, so we can clearly see from this point here, from this point, you can see that this is a retest, this reversal candle, this hammer sell reversal candle here, showing that the buyers are trying to, like, if you can see the body of candle didn't even land on the support area, showing that there are not enough sellers here to push the market more down more. We can see that buyers are starting to come into the market. Understand? After this sell candle weak this area, I started to find my entries, and if you can clearly see, this looks more like a triangle pattern. If you trade patterns, you understand that patterns are market predictions that make it easier for mostly price action traders to trade the market, even other kind of traders to trade the market. So dropping down to the 1 hour time frame. So guys, I'm dropping down back to the 1 hour time frame. You can see this whole rejection at this level here. This whole rejection at this resistance, making it support level. And we can see there's a 4 hour 1 hour support level here at this level. I have to mark out that level because that's where I took my entries from. That's where I saw support and took my entries from. So after this this whole movement here, this whole spike here, this whole rejection here, I just what I waited for was I just saw this pattern here. It's more like a pattern here. Also, not like a double bottom formation. This rejection here. So that's what I saw, guys, and I decided to take the entries on that was a Friday. I took the entries on a Friday. Thursday. I think a Friday or a Thursday. So guys, I had the trade over the Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So the trade actually started giving me market started giving me more volatility in the market on Monday. Remember the news? There were news that US and Iran were showing we are having this war stuff. Understand? So knowing fully well that gold was going to buy with my technical and my technicals in full support of the news, I just head out the trade till Monday. So and if you can see, even as market open on Monday, after closing this strong bullish move on Friday, it created a gap, this gap here, that that also sparked the market up. Understand? So I think my entry was around this point. I just took my entry below here, and my TP all the way to the top here, guys, making me about 10%. And if you can all clearly see, I think I should just clear this out. You can all clearly see this whole setup here. This whole setup here looks clearly like a triangle pattern. Understand? This whole setup looks like a triangle pattern. So, and many of you who trade patterns might not actually see clear entries at this stage here. Understand? Many of you trade patterns might not actually see clear entries. So I'm taking it from right before the market actually starts, and that would be like the best bet on the trade. But but you can clearly see after the breakout there has been just a little bit correction and then boom to the upside. So that's what put me around 10% on my 5K try account. So guys, that's my strategy on gold, and please like and subscribe on the video. I'll be uploading new content soon, guys. Thank you, guys. Peace.